I'll sit here since I'm heavier.
That would be much better.
Cool.
Okay.
Need to make sure these barbecue chips are safe. That's all that really matters.
Are you ready?
Not your child?
You're fine.
Ready?
Anna's gonna go.
Cool.
Yeah, you do. God, what's wrong with you?
I like being dry and warm.
Well, you picked the wrong day to want to be dry and warm.
Means like if it's about 80, then
Bath water.
yeah. Anything under 80 is cold.
That's
I'm
good, doesn't
happy.
it?
I'm really happy. Catch my breath.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? Yeah. He's up.
Oh my god, you're so high up.
Come on, Anna.
Maybe she's saying go faster.
Go faster.
Okay.
Need more alcohol out here probably to get dumb.
Look,
You did good, Banana. Are you afraid to go outside of the weight?
Yes.
It's so much smoother out there.
It is smoother out there.
There you go. Bob, take you back to the ski.
But my hands are killing me.
How's the water, Mina?
It's better once you're in it, and it's also not cold when you're skiing. I'm like, I don't know how to let go.
How do you put on the skis?
She's gonna get in and help you.
Okay. Oh my god.
Okay, which foot is it on? Your left?
Yeah, my left. Okay.
In?
Yep.
Okay, stay right there.
On. I don't think your rope is skis, real.
She's like, this is easier.
That's not normal. I don't know. Chest circumference and weight limits.
36, 24, 36. All right, bruh.
Use your words.
Use your words.
I'm peeing. That's why I didn't say anything.
Are you kidding me?
Huh?
Peeing all over that life jacket I'm gonna wear again?
No, my shorts.
Oh, okay.
Life jacket's not that long.
Look at that, right up. Yeah!
do our
We should try it.
too old for that shit.
I can't hear out of one ear, but it's no big deal.
That's permanent now.
I know.
Yes.
Sweet.
All right.
Oh no.
I don't have a lot of hope that I'm gonna be able to do this.
Okay, ready? Yeah. Here we go.
That's me. I do have to let the board go underwater.
Oh yeah, you have to.
He tried to do it otherwise.
You can't do it by keeping it on top of the water.
Oh my
It's not
God.
possible. I tried. That was the first time I tried.
Yeah.
You were there.
I know.
I think you kept your knees bent too long. You should have stood up.
Okay.
Well, as soon as you got level with the water,
Stand up. Okay. I feel like I'm close. Ready?
Here we go.
I feel like I'm almost there.
You were up and going that time.
Yeah.
Ready? You going again or?
One more time.
One more time, all right.
Yeah. This is fun, man.
Oh, like you Superman out on that one.
Yeah. One more time and I'll be done.
All right, there you go.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah. Oh, I bet. You jumped.
Yeah, I did jump.
Yeah, you got some air.
Lost my cord. Ripped it out of my feet.
He's slowly coming. That's crazy.
Oh, it's like a garter snake.
Yeah.
Here.
You gonna take him to land?
That's right. He's probably literally looking for a ride back.
He's not the kind that hurts you.
Oh, he's biting you, I think.
Can you get him in this water bottle so we can take him back to shore?
Because I'm like not videoing, so I'm just doing whatever I feel like doing.
I don't.
When I grab people, when I daddy, when I mean, we love everybody, but we do as we please. When the weather's fine, we go fishing or go sailing in the sea. We're always happy, lives we're living, yeah, that's our philosophy.